Hey everyone, David here. Today I'm going to show you how we scrape leads for really cheap. So yeah, let's begin. We're going to use Apollo to first of all get all of these leads. So for the sakes of this video, not sure, let's use recruitment for example. So email status, likely to engage, you can put this on and verified of course, always. Why? Because when we send emails we don't want them to bounce, but we're manually going to go through all of these and verify that the emails are verified. I'll show you how to do that, or I'll tell you how to do it afterwards. Job titles, CEO, of course. Then we got CEO and founder, sales, director, then marketing director. You can put like manager also. And managing director. And location. Where would you go? Let's say just US. It's the easiest one. US. Then industry and keywords. We're gonna put staffing and recruitment here. We got 68K, but we're gonna niche down. Company, IT staffing, as an example. IT job, IT recruitment, programmer, jobs, IT jobs. We can use this, it's pretty okay. I mean, it's broad 7.5, it's gonna go down. And then exclude. Marketing. Then SEO, PPC, agency, IT agency. Okay, this looks pretty okay. And then we forgot one thing, which is find it, employees. It always depends what you're doing, but I would recommend that you don't go for 1 to 10 or like 1, because they're probably like freelancers and you don't want them to be freelancers, of course. So custom range, what we're doing is 2 to 20. Now we got 230. So this is pretty okay. We got 230. 230. Let me check something. This one is pretty niche down, as I can see. 2, 3, yeah. This one's pretty okay. Because IT, like, there's not a lot of them who are doing IT and who are custom range from 2 employees to 20. They're probably like bigger firms. But we could use this, yeah. Good. So then we're gonna save. Public, private, doesn't matter. Save search and download it. Then we're gonna go and scrape these leads. How do we do it? We're gonna copy this. Go on exportapollo.com. We're not sponsored by them, but we use them. They're really good. Lead list, IT staffing. Then you're gonna put in the link, this link that we copied. 230 for us. Just type in like 230, doesn't matter. Then set the Apollo link, only scrape leads with available emails. Email verification. Company name cleaning and extra results. Okay, why do we need extra results? We don't need them, but if you're using Clay, for example, it could be as a beginner. If you're using it as a beginner, it could be a little bit easier to enrich these leads, but you don't need to do it. company name cleaning. You can like do it on your sending software like Instantly, Smart Lead, Clay, doesn't matter. But we do it. We double check all of these leads anyway. I go through them manually, depending if it's a lot or not. And then email verifier, it uses, they're partnering with Million Verifier, so it's pretty cheap. Like you're paying 1 credit for 1 verified email. And it's really fucking cheap. As you can see here, 10k scripts, like 10,000 scripts, it's only 48 euros. Or like, how much is that? Let me see in USD, 48 bucks. And then the verification credits are even cheaper. So 10k for $35. This is nothing. Like we use 25k a month. So 100 bucks a month for 25k 1,000 leads is, in my opinion, it's really fucking cheap. So yeah, by the way, when you get the list exported, let me show it to you real quick. Let me open it up. By the way, when you get the list exported, I'll show you how we verify them again. Let me open it up. You're gonna type Control F and then put in here whiskey. We got 257. How much was the scrape? Like 1k leads minus like 1.5k minus 257. It's pretty fine. Like you get 1k leads. And then risky, just delete them. Yeah, that was it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and see you in the next one.